G'day my friends. In today's video we're going to meet some people from my hometown of Townsville. I've met some YouTubers who live locally to me, and I always think it's a great piece of advice for each YouTuber who wants to try and grow their channel to try and meet some local YouTubers, because you can possibly then get face to face and do some collabs, and even just help to promote other people is always a great idea, and if they're in your local community, so much the better. So I've got a playlist, and that's what we're going to have a look at now. It's called Townsville YouTubers, naturally enough. Let's have a look. We're on the Townsville YouTubers playlist from my channel, and that link will of course not only be in the card that's going to be up there, and will also be in the description down the bottom as well. So to the first one, let's have a look. George the Macaw's reaction. So this is a channel called Skye Elizabeth, artist, and George the Macaw. So if I click on that one, just going to give you a couple of seconds introduction to each particular video. So this is Elizabeth. She's a high school arts teacher, and she's also an artist and a potter, among other things. She's a very creative person, and she lives with a couple of parrots that are her inspiration for her artwork, which is just fantastic. And just getting to meet these little beautiful birds and see how she trains them, and see the wonderful personalities that they have. I encourage you to go visit Skye Elizabeth. That's her channel. I'll put it right there on the screen. Okay, let's go back and have a look at the next one. This is the second one down here. I've chosen to add this one to the playlist. It's called Trying the New Fantails Hot Chocolates, and it's from a young lady called Average Alexis. This is Average Alexis, and she has an interesting and eclectic mix of videos. She's basically does a lot of does a lot of makeup stuff. She does some gaming stuff, although she'd be the first to admit that she's not real flash with gaming, like Fortnite and various other ones, and a bunch of other interesting and just random experiences that she's had. It's kind of like a vlogging channel, but she's quite prolific, and I encourage you to go and have a check out of Average Alexis. She's a bit of fun as well. Let's have a look at the next one. Now we've got the third one down here is choppersrule 1. Now many of you will already know choppersrule 1, particularly you'll see him around in some live streams. choppersrule 1 definitely is a YouTuber in my town who's producing videos on a regular basis. choppersrule is a very mechanical kind of a fella, so he likes building things, likes doing renos to his vehicles, and certainly is very clever at creating things that are out of found objects. He's a great guy, and he's fun, and likes to laugh, likes to chat, does some live streaming. So go check out choppersrule 1. The next person from Townsville is where are we? Down here is Ian Z. Ian Z. He's not particularly active at the moment. He hasn't put up any videos for a few months now, but this guy is an absolute scream. He is hilarious. He's makes comedic type videos. Just have a look at this. This is just the intro or the beginning to this video. Look at the face on it, and he's just fun. I strongly encourage you, if you want to laugh, have a look at Ian Z. I hope he's still making videos. I actually wrote to him just recently and hoping to encourage him to produce more videos. Look at him dancing. He's a card. He's an absolute card. Go check out his stuff. Maybe you can leave a comment telling him that you'd like to see him make more videos as well. Okay, and on to the next Townsville YouTuber. This time we have got The World and Us. Now I think I've mentioned this channel before. Actually, I did leave a shout out to this channel. This is a couple, and they're couple of young children. They live in Townsville. He's a school teacher, but they love to travel whenever they can. and they have lots of fantastic videos of their travels all over the place, all around Australia and Southeast Asia and beyond. So if you're into travel videos, he makes some awesome footage, and you can see, look at that, that's drone footage that he's created. So go have a look at The World and Us. It's a really terrific channel, and yeah, they love their kitties, as most people do, and take them off on their journey with them. Just some absolutely gorgeous, stunning scenery, and you get to experience firsthand what they've experienced as they've travelled around parts of, as I say, parts of Australia and Asia. So the next one. Now, I may not get to watch all of these videos, but I'll certainly give them all a shout out. The next one down is Life of Nathan. Now, Nathan, again, has not been active for quite some time, but he's a screamer as well. Nathan makes camp kind of videos, and I gather he's a drag queen from what I've seen of his channel. But he is a hoot. Again, he'll laugh a bit like Ian Z. He's likes to play it up, likes to camp it up, and he's a good fun. So check out Life of Nathan. Tom Edwards. Tom's pretty active at just produced a video a couple of days ago. This is, whoops, now obviously you can see Tom's monetized. It's an ad playing there. Let's skip that ad so you can see what he's like. So Tom Edwards is from the UK, but has settled in Townsville and makes regular videos of areas around Townsville, a bit like I do actually. So you get to see parts of Townsville, perhaps some that I haven't already shown you. If you're interested in North Queensland or ever coming to Australia, Tom's might be another good channel to check out. There we go, that's Tom there. All right, sorry Tom, let's move on to the next one, buddy. And we go back here and we're looking at, where are we? We're on this one. This one I've picked is $100 Touring Rig Challenge, Sick Puppy 4x4. These guys are an absolute scream. Now they're quite a big channel. In fact, they're one of the biggest channels that I know of in Townsville. If I'll just click on their channel so you can have a look. They make some absolutely zany vehicles. They are sort of bushies, like camping, four-wheel driving, motorbikes. Look at this vehicle that they made. That is just insane. When they bring it up closer, you'll be able to see it. They basically have a fixed amount of dollars, and they try and upgrade and change their vehicles and things, among other things. A real bushy type people. They've got, look, 21,000 subscribers, so they are really quite a great channel. If you like bush type stuff, camping, bush vehicles, and just rough and ready DIYs, and adding, just clowning around a little bit, then this channel might be for you. So go and check them out. Another great Townsville channel, Sick Puppy 4x4 Adventures. Look at that. Okay, and I think we're almost at the end of my list here. There's a few more though. I'm not going to play any more videos, but I'll just like to name them so that you might like to go and check them out. The Churchy 76 is a drone channel. He's another droner who flies in Townsville, so check out some of his beautiful work in and around North Queensland. Blackie's Man Cave, another droner in Townsville, and this particular one on the list here, it says Aussie Mark and Blackie's Man Cave flying together. We met a few weeks ago and we did a bit of a fly down in South Townsville, so you might like to check that out if you're into droning, as I'm sure a lot of you are, otherwise you probably wouldn't be subscribed to my channel. Shane Duncanson is another local lad into fishing and boating. So if you like fishing and boating and reef experience, check out some of Shane's work. Paul Weston. Now Paul is not an overly active YouTuber, but he is a very clever man when it comes to special effects on videos. Paul, in fact, loves making videos and makes short films, and has been received several awards for some of his short films. He particularly likes sci-fi special effects and has been awarded some accolades for his stuff. So go check out Paul Weston. Tell him Aussie Mark sent you. We've got Santush De Silva. Now Santush is predominantly putting up films of Santush puts up videos predominantly of cultural events in Townsville. He likes to film cultural events, and we have a very multicultural Townsville society. So there are African festivals, Indian festivals, all sorts of other eclectic mixes of festivals in our town related to the particular cultural groups that we have, South Sea Islander festivals, and so on and so forth. So if you like the multicultural feel, then that one might be a channel that you might like to go and check out. And two to go, I just came across these young ladies just a couple of days ago, in fact, just when I just got back from my holidays, and JAT Vlogs. 3 young girls, young teens, just having fun and basically vlogging about what their experiences in our town. So if you're from the younger generation, then these girls might be a bit of fun for you to check out. They haven't been going for too long, so show them a bit of love. Tell them Aussie Mark sent you. And finally, Ellen Josephine. So it's Ellen-Josephine. She's just getting started in YouTubing, and she's been putting makeup and hairdressing type videos initially, but she hopes to diversify quite significantly from that. So ladies, perhaps you might like to, well, I shouldn't say just ladies, should I? And gentlemen, if you're into makeup and hairdressing and whatever, go and check out those channels. Thanks very much for checking them all out. You support the people in your local area. As you can see, I'm supporting the people in mine. I hope that they will appreciate it, and that you guys maybe get to do some collabs with local people. Take care. I'm Aussie Mark. You guys have a fantastic day. Hope to see you on the next one. Oh, for those of you who are interested, just before I go, regarding my injury from my skiing holiday, I found out not only have I dislocated my right shoulder, but I've actually got torn rotator cuffs in both shoulders as well. So thank you very much for all your kindness so far and your support and best wishes in me getting well. I certainly hope that I will improve in the very near future. If I need to have any surgery or anything, I'll let you know. I'm seeing the specialist soon. Okay, bye.